title of the story is Nityananda, the root of the Bhakti tree. Akaroda Paramananda Nityananda Rai Abhimana Shunya Nitya Nagare Bedai Adhama Patita Jive Dware Dware Giya Hari Nama Mahamantra Dichena Bilaya. This song is written by Lochan Das Thakur. It describes Lord Nityananda's glory as infinite and unfathomable. Let me narrate to you a story which shows how Lord Nityananda is mercifully distributing the names of Hari to everyone and anyone. By the order of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Lord Nityananda and Haridas Thakur used to go out and preach Krishna consciousness door to door. One day they came across two brothers named Jagai and Madai who were born in a respected Brahmana family of Navadvip. By the bad association, they became drunkards, meat eaters and dacoits. Lord Nityananda Prabhu heard about their notorious activities. He thought, if these two fallen souls are delivered first, then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's names will become even more glorified. So, he approached them and requested them to chant the names of Hari. However, the drunkards became enraged upon hearing this and abused them with the filthy language and chased them. Nityananda Prabhu did not give up. Next day, he again approached with the same request. As soon as Madai saw Lord Nityananda Prabhu, he picked up a piece of clay pot and threw it at him with a great force. Lord Nityananda Prabhu was bleeding profusely, but still he requested them to chant the names of Hari. Jagai was astonished to see the merciful behavior of the Lord. He fell at his lotus feet and asked to forgive his brother. Meanwhile, the news reached Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He rushed to the spot in an angry mood, invoked his Sudarshan Chakra to kill the sinners. At this very moment, Lord Nityananda Prabhu reminded the Lord about his mission, not to kill the sinners, but to deliver the hopeless fallen souls in the age of Kali. At the urge of Lord Nityananda Prabhu, Lord forgive the repented souls at a condition that they have to give up their sinful life. When Jagai and Madai agreed, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu embraced them and initiated them in the chanting of the holy name. So, here we see how Lord Nityananda Prabhu is mercifully distributing, purifying and delivering the names of Hari in the age of Kali. Have mercy on me, have mercy on me, O Lord Nityananda. You are the original Shankar Shan Balaram. You are the spiritual master. You are the source of spiritual strength. Bhaja He Nityanandam, the root of the Bhakti tree. Thank you.
Nitai Gurnamani Amar, Nitai Gurnamani, Nitai Gurnamani Amar, Nitai Gurnamani, Aniya Primera Vanya Bhashailo Avani, Aniya Primera Vanya Bhashailo Avani. Gem quality is my Nitai, Nitai's gem-like qualities, bringing waves of divine love, the whole world submerging. Nitai Gurnamani Nitai Gunamani Premirvanya Loya Nitai Aila Guna Deshe Dubila Bhakata Gana Dinahina Bhashe Nitai brought to all of Bengal a great flood of pure love, drowning the devotees deeply, even sinners floated. Nitai Gurnamani Amar Nitai Gurnamani Nitai Gurnamani Amar Nitai Gurnamani Dinahina Patita Pa Maranahi Pache Brahmana Tulava Pema Sakakari Jache Those wretched and fallen sinners did not want this gift. That gift which is rare for Brahma, still he gave them this. Gem quality is my Nitai, Nitai's gem-like qualities. Nitai Gurnamani Amar Nitai Gurnamani Abadha Karuna Sindhu Katiya Muhana Gadi Gadi Bole Prema Miyarapan Though the sea of mercy was sealed, he plowed a river. House to house he wanders with love, splashing all with nectar. Lord Chan says, whoever has not worshipped my Lord Nitai, having heard and known all this, let his own soul die. Lord Chan bole mora Nitai, je bana bhajilo, janiya shuniya se Atmagati holo. Nitai Gurnamani Amar Nitai Gurnamani Nitai Gurnamani